Is your business on the first page of Google Local Maps? Case studies have shown that 96% of all searchers will never look past Google's first page. Local map optimization puts your business right in front of the eyes of customers looking to buy. Getting your business ranking on the first page of Google Local Maps and keeping it there is no simple task and requires constant, up-to-date maintenance. Because we get results, we're trusted every month by many clients. We help local businesses who are struggling to be found online or just want more customers. All of our clients are thrilled by their online presence and how it's helped them grow their customer base. You're an expert in your industry, and we are experts in Google for Business. We work diligently to make sure your company is getting the results you need. Partnering with us will help your business succeed. That's the goal we strive to achieve for every client. If you're ready to take control of your success and dominate your online space, give us a call right now or use the contact form on our website, and a dedicated team member will get back to you at your convenience. Whatever your goals may be, we look forward to helping you reach them. Focus on doing what you do best and let us market your business. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, contact us today.